Snip, snip. It's a nice little saw, I'm not gonna lie. By the way, I found out on my credit card, or new credit card we just got, um, has no interest for 1 full year, no monthly payment obligations for 1 full year. So I figured could probably fund most of the smaller tools that I do need. I may even start doing a business out of this. I don't know, like just landscaping and yard work. It's relaxing, it's peaceful, to be honest. But no interest, no payments for 1 full year. We'll get our tax return come February, March. We'll pay off the card, and then maybe by then I won't even have to because there could be a business. Who knows? But it's a nice little saw. I can see my power line again, so that's nice. I think for this last one, we'll just use the floor out of the way again and just cut the whole dang thing off. Save us a lot of time that way. Let's go ahead and do that. Also, let's see where we're at on recording time. We are at 13 minutes. Oh yeah, this is making a lot of progress. Not working around the actual power lines is making this a lot faster. So I figured as much. There's like half as much thinking that I have to do now, so it's gonna be a lot easier. Let's see. Leave it as that guy. Yeah, sorry, it's backwards. But its highest reach is like 45 plus feet. Like I said, I don't have any climbing equipment, so I'm being realistic. It's weird looking down. It's weird, it's weird not having climbing equipment and still getting a lot done, but I can't go 40 plus feet in the air safely. And like I said, I'm the unlicensed professional, not the idiot. I know where to draw the line. This pole saw was actually a really nice benefit. It really wasn't even all that expensive. Sub $100 if I'm not mistaken. And it comes with this nice pruning attachment. I don't know if you can see, it's really thin, which makes it, you know, really wobbly, but it's from Lowe's. It's pretty nice. It's it's called the dual link. I don't know. I see a dual link word on there. I don't know what that is. Do not use this pole around electrical wires or equipment, though. Don't do that. Don't do that. I think, I mean, I could do some stuff on my roof with a pole saw, but man, that's just a really idea. I mean, I have some trimming I could do in my front yard too. Some trimming I could do in my front yard, so I could go do that. I'm sorry, I'm not looking there. Over there at the screen, it's off to the side. But I could go do that stuff. I'm gonna pause and see what I can reach with my ladder safely. See what I can do. until then, I'm gonna have to wait for my neighbor to get home because I can get on top of his shed with this pole saw and do a lot of work and still avoid his telecommunication line. I'm back in my little red chair. Started the day off in. I like it. I like my chair. So, yeah, a little bit of tree trimming today. Probably going to do that in a time lapse. I'll decide that later. I managed to order some gaff boots and I don't know, they call it a seat belt. I don't know. It goes around your waist like a belt, and then it wraps around the tree, and then it clips to itself. I was able to only get that for $79. Well, after taxes and all that fun stuff, it was, let's call it 87, $88. But they're rather nice, and the metal is good enough that I can use my mechanics set I have in my garage. I can use have a tap set. I can thread it whatever I need to thread it, and I can buy my own gaff spikes from like a third party website, like for instance like Klein Tools sells some really good stuff. Their spikes, instead of just being straight like this, they kind of go out like this, so it actually allows you to really dig into the tree. I can buy those later whenever I start doing. I might do this as a side job, tree trimming and removal and stuff. This is also kind of easy. Just the more hello pretty birds. The more you get equipment wise, the faster the stuff is going to go. And now I have a pole saw. I was able to do stuff so much faster today than I would have been with the chainsaw. I got those wires out of the way. That sped up a lot of stuff as well. It's only going to get faster. Um, I previously estimated 2 months for this tree removal. Um, I I forgot. I forgot my credit card doesn't have. We just got me and the wife both got bird. Me and the wife both got new cards, and they don't have any interest or payments for the first year. And we plan on using the tax return and then the money that we already have going to our savings to just pay off the cards. And then we have a Kirby vacuum that we bought. We have a lot of carpet in the house. Yeah, there's only 70 for that. That's a lot. But there's always vacuums in there. Also, Kirby is so sensitive because they have to create so different. It is secret. It's a secret. Other designs have like a digital very good. Also, Kirby won't get one times. There's always most other ones just right fine. They will sniper and stuff like that. But anyways, what else on a tangent? Tree removal stuff in the backyard. After I get the gaff boots and the seat belt, they should arrive here on Friday. I want to mess around with it with some trees I have in my front yard as well. I got to do some trimming on down there. Not good. They are not good, honestly. They got to go as well. They'll help open up the sunlight to the solar panels a little better. There's like a panel that gets covered just barely, like maybe 10% of the panel gets covered for a couple hours a day. It would help. But having those boots will allow me to maybe start doing some side jobs around the neighborhood and whatnot, and that will let me get more monies to get more equipment to do this tree faster. Uh, the only thing I really need now, after these boots get here and the seat belt, is I need like a really good rope and then some rigging equipment to do branch drop downs so that I don't put a branch through my roof when I start doing the stuff at the very top of the 50 whatever foot tall stuff. Um, but yeah, it'll be pretty cool, I think. But for now, you guys stay safe. I'm probably gonna start doing my Bible studies with this as well because this is nice. I can see myself talking, and I know that it gives me something to look at visually, so I don't get distracted. And it's a lot hard to get distracted when doing the videos. But until next time, you guys stay safe. Hello, pretty bird. Have a good day, pretty birds. Pretty birds. I like birds. I talk to the birds. Don't judge me. You guys stay safe. Bye.